Okay, so I chose to showcase number 6 from 7.1. I chose this problem because I enjoy working with ratios and making ratio tables, and I also thought that this was the kind of problem that can be used later in life as it pertains to buying things and comparing to see which is the better buy. So to get started, it says, explain how to reason about ratio tables to determine which of the following two laundry detergents is a better buy. A box of laundry detergent that washes 80 loads and costs $12.75, or a box of laundry detergent that washes 36 loads and costs $6.75. So to better compare them, I'm going to call the top one here A, that has 80 loads for $12.75, and this one is B, that washes 36 loads and costs $6.75. So to start with A, we're going to go ahead and make a ratio table. And that's A, we know that washes 80 loads for $12.75. And we're going to go ahead and make the ratio table so we can compare. We're going to call this top area here the washes, and this is the cost. So we know we're going to start with 80 loads for the washes, and $12.75 is the cost. To better get down and to compare one load to one load, we're going to have to scale down. So I'm going to do that by taking off half each time. So we have 80 washes here, we're going to bring that down to 40. And then you're going to have that half the $12.75, and that is $6.38. And we're going to do that again. Now we have 20 loads, and half of $6.38 is $3.19. Half of 20 is 10. And then that half of the $3.19 is $1.60. And so now we've gotten it down to where we need to figure out how much it is for one load. So in that case, you're going to take the $1.60 and divide that by 10, and that gives you 16 cents. So you know this one, for one load, it's going to cost you 16 cents. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight for comparison later. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and make a ratio table for wash situation B. With wash situation B, we know that for 36 loads, it will cost $6.75. And we're going to go ahead and make another ratio table in the same way, with the top area being washes and the bottom being the cost. And we are starting with the given 36 loads for $6.75, and we're again going to scale down by halves until we can get low enough to figure out what the one load situation is. So half of 36 is 18, and half of $6.75 is $3.38. And then again, half of 18 is 9, and half of $3.38 is $1.69. And then now you've got it down to 9, so you're going to do the same thing that you did here with wash A situation, and you're going to say you have the $1.69 divided by 9, and that gives you just about 19 cents. So you know that for one load, it is 19 cents. And go ahead and highlight that for comparison. And you can see here that the better buy is wash A, because for one load it's 16 cents, and for B, one load is 19 cents. Did we have to go as far as to doing one? No, because if you go up here, you can see, and to compare again, that for 20 loads, it is $3.19. But here, for 18 loads, which is 2 less loads, it costs you more at $3.38. So right there is another comparison that you can see. Again, that situation A, 80 loads for $12.75 is the better buy. That's it.